Maggie Cutlets.
One cup of poha, 2 boiled potatoes, few chopped curry leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies and 1 chopped onion, some chopped coriander leaves, one bunch of Maggi with masala sachet, 1 teaspoon of chopped masala, and salt, as per taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. Wash poha 2 to 3 times with water. Add 2 tablespoons of water and leave poha for 5 minutes. Take a jar and grind Maggi coarsely. Maggi powder is ready. Transfer it in a plate. Water is absorbed by poha. Transfer poha in a mixing bowl. Add boiled potatoes. Mash them. Mix boiled potatoes nicely with poha. Add chopped onion. Add chopped curry leaves. Add chopped green chilies. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add chopped masala and salt. Add cumin and coriander powder. Add Maggi masala. Mix and combine them well. Take small portion of poha mixture and give tiki shape. Poha tikis are done. Take tiki and dip in maida slurry. Coat it nicely with Maggi powder. Poha cutlets are ready for frying. Heat oil and dip cutlets. Fry them on medium to high flame. Flip and fry. Fry until crisp and light golden in color. When the cutlets are fried well, remove them. Poha Maggie cutlets are done. Tasty and crispy Poha Maggie cutlets are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.